Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I hope you all must be doing good. So, I was doing a practical flashing the different GSI ROM on my different mobile phone. I tried One UI 7 GSI ROM on my Galaxy S10 Plus, then I tried on S10 5G Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but the One UI Beta 7 could not boot. Yes, it got flash, but not booting. And then I finally came the one ROM which got flash and which got booted. Which one is that? Let me show. This is Pixel 6, Google Pixel 6, and right now Pixel 6 is having stock Android 15 ROM, right? And this one is Galaxy A73. Now, from the front side, if I unlock the screen, I can say that you will see that this one is actually Pixel 8. Yeah, it look like similar because the ROM that I got on my Galaxy A73 is basically Android 16 Beta 3 version on Galaxy A73. This is basically GSI ROM which got flash and which got booted finally. The ROM is having only one issue and all things are working. If you see, definitely you will see that from the front side it's not look like any Galaxy mobile, but from the back side, yes, it is Galaxy A73. Now if I just unlock the screen of Pixel 6, if you can see, both are very similar. Both SIM card inserted in my mobile phone, and both SIM are working. You can see that. Yes, yes, I checked the calls. The incoming calls and outgoing calls are working. Only the SMS is having issues. Somehow, I tried to figure it out with the Android 15, but now with the Android 16, I couldn't get it. But well, I am trying my best to get the SMS working on Android 16. Then let's see. And you can see that my Jabra Bluetooth device is connected with the Galaxy A73 having the Android 16 beta version. Now let me show the about phone screen. Pixel 6, this is my Google account. This is what my Galaxy A73 got right now is Android 16. The Android security update is 5th March 2025, and 1st April 2025 Google Play System update, and this is the build number, right? Ported by MyStick Tech. The MyStick, this is the GSI, the developer who is porting GSI ROM for the different mobile phone. This ROM comes with built in with the caps. We don't have to flash the caps separately. Camera application is not coming with the ROM. I tried to download the Pixel camera, but the camera application is not getting open. So I've installed the open camera, which is working fine. Yes, I am taking pictures, I am recording videos. The front camera, the rear camera, yes, working. The flashlight working. And this is the control center of the Android 16 having right now on my Galaxy A73. Well, I can say that the ROM is so fast comparing it with the stock firmware. Now, if you want to know how to flash, then I will make another video, and still I am trying my best to get the One UI 7 to flash on the mobile phone, any of the mobile phone. I am trying my best to flash any GSI ROM on, okay, the swipe to unlock is not working. This is actually the Orange Fox recovery having issues with the Redmi Note 13. So I will reboot the mobile phone into custom recovery. So I was saying that I'm trying my best to get the GSI ROM on my Redmi Note 13, Xiaomi, Samsung, or Pixel, or maybe I will try to flash on another mobile phone, the ones that I have right now on my desk. And if I get any ROM flash, I will definitely make a video. Comment first, then I will follow the procedure later on. Thank you for watching the video. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.